Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video at Morgan Homestead. Before we begin, if you would, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. What do you think about this big old mess behind me? I told Dutch, you guys see my last video, Dutch came over and helped me a lot. He helped me fell these two trees here and cut all this bulk stuff up. I told him in my next video I was going to give him a hard time about coming over here and cutting all these trees down, leaving me this big old mess. But no, I'm really grateful for him coming over and doing it. But as you can see, I do have a mess in my front yard. There's the house. There's the mess. So Lindy's not necessarily thrilled about all this brush in the front yard. So what I'm going to do, I got a few hours before dark now. The main thing I want to do is get this float hooked up on the goats and cows watering tank. So I'm going to try to do that real quick. What? What are you going to do with that? What are you going to do with that, Hunter?
Shoot you.
Shoot me? No. All right, I'm going to try to pre-drill. What in the world?
Huh.
Look in the watering tank.
Oh my, there's a squirrel.
Whoa.
Is it alive?
No, there's a squirrel.
Give me it, give me it.
It fell in there and drowned.
Give me it. Yeah, give me it. I look like a boy. Give me it.
What?
Ah, it's slimy.
Grab by the tail.
The tail?
Got it?
Tiny.
Grab it. You got it?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with that?
Eat it.
Eat it? No.
Keep it.
Keep it? You can't keep it.
Like you did to that buck in there?
Well, there's a difference between mounting a deer and a squirrel, sissy.
You can still do that.
No. Won't you take that back there in the woods back there by the...
Can we show Mama first?
Don't take it inside because it's dripping water everywhere. You can take it up to the door and knock and let it... You're a weirdo. Are you kidding me? Look at the placement of that. That does not get any worse. Oh, man. I don't think I can even... Alrighty, well, I just got this thing installed. Check it out. Hunter, hit it, boy. Let me show you real quick how this works. So, I'm sure most of you guys probably know, but we've been having trouble remembering to turn off the water. So, big shout out to Mr. Abro42 on YouTube. He's a subscriber. He hooked me up with this because he's seen how forgetful we are. So, big shout out to him. Thank you, buddy. Check this out. So the water fills up, hits this lever down here, and it pulls up and shuts the water off. And then if it drops below that, it kicks back on. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, thank you so much for sending us that. We will use it quite a bit. Definitely going to be a lifesaver, so thank you. All right, now I got to... I only got about an hour left of dark. I don't know how much film I'm gonna get of this, so I really need to hurry. I'm gonna try to get most of this brush moved over to that brush pile right there. All of this moved to there. That's our burn pile. So wish me luck. Let's get started. finally got that mess cleaned up. I told Dutch I was going to give him a hard time because he came and down these trees, fell these trees, whatever you want to call it, and left a big brush pile for me to clean up. But no, I'm greatly appreciative for him coming over and doing that. No negative feelings toward him whatsoever. I'm just giving him a hard time. But all I got's a pile of wood here now. It took me and the kids, I got a little bit of footage of that, a while to drag that. And then Lindy actually came out and did some. I was like, you don't need to be doing that. But anyways, so then yesterday Hunter and I went and built a duck blind. I'm going to have a little bit of a time lapse of that. It snowed on us a lot of the time. He was in the truck most of the time, but we got it built. So got a couple videos in one on this one, but I just wanted to wish you guys a happy new year. Today is New Year's Eve. Hopefully I get this up today before tomorrow. Hopefully 2021 is better than 2020 has been for all of us. And while I'm thinking about it, a few of you guys said something about that right there. So I'm going to go in there and get the saw and see if I can take care of that.
Look at the playroom Christmas tree through the playroom window.
Copy that. I see you loud and clear. So if you see, I don't know if you heard that before I got the camera turned around. So Hunter got some walkie-talkies for Christmas, and they're in the house, and they've been communicating with me while I've been out here, seeing if I need any water or anything like that. It's pretty cold today, so they're not out here. It's see a lot of snow still on the ground, and the wind is it's pretty brisk out of the north today. Really cold. So I'm just doing a few things out here, and I'm gonna get back inside where it's warm. So how you guys got that room cleaned up there yet?
Almost.
All right. Oh, frozen shut. Come on. No? No? All right. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? What? You just want some loving, huh? Thor. So I don't know if you see this or not, but Ruth's just following me around. She just wanting loving this morning. She's not really eating. She's just, everywhere I go, she's following me, wanting me to scratch her head. Ain't it, Ruthie? Oh, Ruthie. Well, you know, Ruthie. Huh? Well, you know, Ruthie. Don't get your head stuck in that bucket. What? What are you looking at me for? You want some too? You want some lovin's too? Yes. Whoa, whoa. Easy, Ruthie. I'll pet you again. Alright, I gotta go do some chores. See you later. Hey, can I have my bucket? Can I have my bucket? Thank you. Bye, Ruthie. Oh, I just made it up here. You probably can't make it out, but there's a wheat field on the back side of this pond, and it is covered with geese. There's a ton out there. Seen a couple of ducks come down on the pond while we were driving up, and they fled away. So I'm just working on getting this blind bill right here on this point that comes out. It's kind of the furthest area coming out into the pond, so should be able to get a shot about anything. Alright guys, well that's all I got on today. One second. Come again?
Wait, what?
Wait, what? What'd you say?
Chicken's hungry.
Yeah, the chickens were hungry. I fed them.
Okay, copy that.
Over and out. So, like I was saying, I don't remember what I was saying, but that's all I got on today's video. If you like this video, if you'd like to see, if you want me to video my duck hunt in the morning and do a duck catch, clean, and cook, drop in the comments below. Some of you guys like that kind of stuff, some of y'all don't. Me, I kind of want to film it, so I may go ahead and video it. And if you don't want to watch the cleaning part of it, you can fast forward. I know when I did the wild rabbit catch, clean, and cook, some of y'all was disappointed that I didn't show cleaning the rabbit. Had a guy say, I came here to learn how to clean a rabbit, and I didn't see none of it. So I'm going to try to put a little bit more of the cleaning aspect in it if I do it, and just show you how I do it. It's not that bad, really. Very little blood when I clean a duck, because you just breast them out. So, but if you'd like to see that, drop a comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed me and Hunter building the duck blind and getting to do a little father-son bonding, like I said, he was in the truck most of the time, but he did get out and help me a little bit. So, like I said, that's all we got on today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless.